Well, hello to all of our team that's going to be a part of the new member luncheon this coming Sunday, elders, facilitators, others who are going to be helping us. I wanted to take just a moment and give you just some very raw footage idea about what the layout's going to look like in the first part of our new member luncheon as we welcome folks and get them processed more or less to be ready to eat their meal. And so I'm going to show you areas where I'm going to want hosts so you can be thinking about a place where maybe you can serve this weekend. First of all, in this location, just outside this one entrance to the area that we're going to be using, I need ideally a couple here to welcome the new members and ask them to just step through the doorway. So they're going to be coming this way. I would like to have another host person in about this position, because right along this wall from the doorway where they came in all the way to the bathrooms is going to be the waiting area, the line for getting their picture taken. I then will need another host person about right here at the end of the front end of the line, because all along this wall, about 3/4 of that wall is going to be photographers taking pictures of the new members. And so I will need a host person here that as each photographer becomes available, that you feed the next family over to that photographer so they can get their picture taken. So moving back this direction, so far that's 3 positions where I will need hosts. Again, all the photographers will be working along here. But at the end of the area where the photographers are, I will need another host person about right here, just past the basketball goal, to move the people from their picture taking to one of 4 tables, those tall tables, where we will have computers set up, and we'll have people to help them get their login established for the Hills Connect, our database. So once that position is finished, I will need another host person right here, because between the computer tables, the next station is the name tag. We're going to have 2 8-foot tables about right here, and I will need a person to direct then the people from the computers to this place. I will need another host in between these 2 name tag tables just to help people make sure they get that done efficiently. Just past the name tag tables, another host right here to move those people to the drinks table. We're going to have our drinks here along with the fruit and veggies that we always have for them to start off while they're waiting on the buffet to be open. And then just past the drink table, or right along this spot, now this movable wall is going to be open as well as the other one. We're going to have the whole FLC exposed. A host person here then will invite those people from the drinks table to go ahead and find them a round table. There will be 20 round tables set up in this middle section. We'll have them be seated there, and then at the appropriate time, we're going to invite them back over here to the food service, which will be about in this area. We'll have 2 sets of 8-foot tables where we'll have 4 serving lines for people to go down and get their food. Then a little bit beyond that serving area, there's going to be a table about right here where we're going to be cutting and dishing out our cake for the dessert. So I will need 4 people, ideally women, to come and work with Jenny New here to get the cake ready. We will probably then move the dished cake over to the ends of the serving lines so people can get everything in one pass. So this will kind of be our little work table here for the cakes. So that is a very fast run through, but I wanted you to just have an idea. I'd like you to be thinking ahead about where you might want to serve as far as one of the hosts. You may not get your first choice. It may be up to me just to assign a place for you to be. So anyway, this will kind of give you an idea, even though there aren't really any props in here for the lunch just yet. We're going to have a great time this Sunday, and I'm so deeply appreciative to you guys for planning to be a part of it. I'll see you soon.